Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Lashybox. If you're unfamiliar, this subscription box is $13.99 a month. You get 4 pairs of lashes and a few extra items. Let's just jump right into it. I love their packaging, and I am excited. If you guys are interested in the subscription box, I will have a link in the top of the description box below. So you open it up and this is what it looks like, and we are going to go through the lashes first. You always get a few pairs of Lashybox lashes, and we got 2. We got one in the style cake, which I love these. I love how like crisscrossy and flowy they are. And then we got one in the style sprinkles. Okay, look at those. Ooh. I am excited, and I have tried their lashes. Like, we've gotten them in other boxes, and I've tried them, and they're actually really good. And then we got 2 by Jackie Love, and these are the faux mink lashes, and we've gotten a few things from this brand before in Lashybox, but I love their purpley teal green packaging, and these lashes are vegan and cruelty free. So we got one in the style, what style is this? Capricorn. And another one in the style Maddie 2.0. Oh my goodness, those are some lashes. Like, holy. Yeah, those are some lashes. I don't know how much use I'll get out of this pair, but like, those are intense. And then we have, oh, I'm excited about this. We have a pair of tweezers. These are lash tweezers though, and these are Lashybox X Jackie Love. Okay, and these are like heavy, like these feel heavy duty. Oh my goodness, yes. And you can see it says Jackie Love X Lashybox. And these are specifically for applying like lashes. So you would like grip the lashes and then you just right on your eyes. They have that shape. Amazing. I've never tried lash tweezers like this, so I'm definitely excited to give them a try. These feel really good quality, like they're really heavy duty. And they're long. Those are nice, and I'm excited about that. And then we have one more thing hiding down the bottom. Okay, I have this actually. This is the Crescent Moon Cosmetic 4-color eyeshadow. I got this in my Fashionista box. Let's see, let's just make sure nothing in here is broken. Nope, okay. Yeah, nothing's broken, and these are the same shades. Let me grab mine real quick, and I'll do some swatches and show you. Okay, this one's mine. This is the one we're throwing into a future giveaway for one of you guys, but mine. This is the packaging. Very pretty packaging. And it comes out like that, and it's got the same little packaging, and then you open it up, and this is what it looks like. And then we'll do some swatches. So those are the 4 shades. That first one is Calypso, and then we have New Moon, and then Zenith, and Ophelia. All very pretty shades. I have yet to use them, but they all are like a duochrome, so I'm actually excited, and I'm excited to get another one for one of you guys to try out, like, because that will get thrown into a future giveaway. But you guys, that is everything, and for $13.99 a month, I totally think this is worth it. We got a 4-pan eyeshadow, we have a pair of lash tweezers that are like super well made, and 4 pairs of lashes. I love this subscription box. Definitely one of my favorite, but that is everything. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to become best friends and follow me on social media, I am on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!